Okay, so this is a project here, as I mentioned in another video. This is our solar kiln for our firewood. We have it delivered for heating of the house, for charcoal production, and it's coming here and it's too fresh, it's too green, there's too much moisture in it. So we need it to dry out. We've been drying it in this storage and here in this room. It gets hot in these metal buildings, but not necessarily hot enough for it to really dry out fast. And so I thought, what if we just built a greenhouse with a lot of thermal mass to get really hot and evaporate the moisture out. So that's what we're going to try doing. You can see here, the roof will start here and go out this way to there. And it'll be 2 layers of greenhouse material for the light to come in the top and heat the structure. The shelves are going to be on this half, the walkway will be on this half, and these walls are going to be matope, which is like cob, like earthen material. And then we're going to do like a rock base on the floor for a vapor barrier. So we'll still be able to walk by on this side. And we'll pull the logs out of the big storage in here in this metal building and put them in here. And the doorway will be right here to walk in. So it'll be rock floor, earthen walls, clear roof. Should get super hot here during a sunny day. And then there'll be 1 shelf and 2 shelves. And there will be a vent here that will be controllable. And I'm going to put a little slight intake here at the bottom of this door so the air is cross-drafted through the structure. And then there will be maybe like a little circular vent here, and I'll be able to like adjust it with a slide. So I can make sure that the heat is high enough, but you don't want the moisture to stay in there with the wood. You want it to actually go out. So we will see how this works. This is kind of an experiment. What we did is on these, we just roasted the ends of those so they were carbonized. You can see, instead of using cement, we just chiseled the end of those and burned them and used just regular accessible poles. So the overall cost of this should be pretty low. You're just dealing with the greenhouse paper, as they call it, the woods here, labor or DIY, the earthen materials, which should not be that much for the walls, and then the rock base, which will be maybe $8 to $10 worth of rock delivered. So yeah, so this is our solar kiln. Looking pretty good so far. Yep. I'll keep you posted. Oh, and as a side note, yes, I do have the drone and the camera and everything, but we're having some technical issues. We're still unpacking. The house is being worked on. I don't have the space to edit. So to keep the content coming while it's happening, the phone is really something I can just grab and use. But yes, long term, we will have those quality videos still coming. It's just right now there's a lot going on, and I'm spending my time working on all of this. And I have not had the time or the space or the quiet to do the editing. So that's what's going on here. And man, the pond is looking really good. I love how we have our water flow and check dam, and all of that is so cool.